I am good, I am great, and I wonderful. Now guys, how are you feeling today? Are you happy, sad, sleepy, or excited? I am happy, yes? So, let's remember the jobs. So look here, mailman. Let's repeat, mailman. Cleaner. Let's repeat, cleaner. Yes. Teacher. Let's repeat, teacher. Doctor. Let's repeat, doctor. Very good. Now let's open our books on page 22, okay? This page. Now look here. Sad, sleepy, happy, and excited. How are you feeling today? I am happy. So I will take a crayon and circle the happy. Now look here, guys. The train driver, doctor, mailman, cleaner, and teacher. They are on the train, yes? Now let's draw ourselves here. So I will draw myself on the train. Look. Now guys, where is Mousy? Can you find Mousy? Mousy? Yes, he is right here. So that's it, okay?